a birdhouse. Got chain. And here's the layout of the birdhouse. Little for them to land on, that they can go in. It's pretty spacious, and we're going to hang it up right there. So I'll catch you whenever it's hanging up there. It's up there. Let's go see what it looks like from the ground. There it is. Let me tell you, that was a bird. That'd look kind of comfy. Have a good day.